The National Weather Service in Duluth, Minnesota has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Cass County until 3:30 p.m. At 3:01 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Poplar, or 30 miles northwest of Brainerd, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Poplar around 3:05 p.m. Leader around 3:10 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.